For Weather Center Live at 10 p.m. Eastern, but we're not going anywhere. We have live weather updates for you every
Currently, the temperature is 72 degrees under sunny skies with windy conditions. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, mainly clear, low 58. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Thursday, sunny skies, high 75. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Thursday night, clear, low 56. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Good evening, everyone. Crystal Ager here in a live weather update. We're starting in the